Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
It's the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 6th of January. James Spann here, getting set to cruise into a weekend. Very mild, a little showery, maybe some strong storms next week, and then we turn cold. Let's go to some of the Skycam shots around the network. We'll start with the Tuscaloosa view. We note a few clouds there. Clouds will gradually increase across the state tonight, but it looks awfully nice this afternoon. Now, down south, it's pretty foggy. Look at that view coming from the northern tip of Mobile Bay, the battleship USS Alabama. They've been socked in with fog all day. But on the immediate coast down at Gulf Shores, the fog is lifted. But again, the sky there is becoming mostly cloudy. All right, got that feature on the upper Texas coast. That will bring the chance of showers to Alabama over the weekend. Nothing really heavy, but just keep in mind the chance of a few passing rain showers tomorrow and Sunday. And, of course, the northern branch for now has got the cold air trapped up north. Hey, feels pretty good. Those are early afternoon temperatures. I see a lot of 60s on the board there, and we'll be way up in the 60s tomorrow and Sunday. In fact, some folks may be flirting with 70. And around the nation, we've still got that warm air up to about St. Louis. They're approaching 70 this afternoon, but the air is turning colder back in the northwest. But everybody turns really cold in about a week across much of the continental United States. Up on the watch warning map, not much happening. A few issues out west, but the east is very quiet. And there's the rain for the next 5 days. The bullseye around Minden, Louisiana, almost 5 inches there. And this is valid through Wednesday morning of next week at 6 o'clock. And the amounts here taper off from almost 2 inches in parts of northwest Alabama down to about 3/4 of an inch around Dothan. But no doubt we could see some strong storms and maybe heavy rain at times by Tuesday and Tuesday night. Let's take a look. This is the GFS, the 12Z run at noon tomorrow at 500 millibars. And you can see that kind of energetic southern branch. And down below that, there's enough moisture for a few showers tomorrow. But again, clearly, it's not going to be a big rain event. Highs stay up in the mid to upper 60s. The GFS is showing 68 tomorrow. And the same thing on Sunday. The chance of a few passing rain showers. Nothing heavy. Highs mid to upper 60s. The sky mostly cloudy. Now, Monday, look at the feature over West Texas. That's the one that could bring some really strong storms in here by Tuesday night. But Monday, all of the active weather stays west. We'll go to Tuesday. That is a progressive trough in the southern branch coming through Texas. And down below that at midday, this is noon Tuesday, the main band of rain and storms over Mississippi, Arkansas, Louisiana. And that will be poised to come in here Tuesday night. And then on Wednesday, that feature beginning to lift just northeast of here, and we've got just some lingering light rain. Wednesday morning, maybe. And again, you look at the instability, just a little sliver. This is Tuesday night off the GFS, but clearly at this point, you know, several days in advance in January, I think the models will underestimate the amount of instability. So I think there's no doubt we could see some strong storms and maybe a few severe storms. By the time we talk Monday morning, have a much better idea of what's going to happen with that. We'll go to Thursday of next week, and now the GFS is turning as colder, and I think this is the right solution, is that system lifts up into the northern tip of New England. We get cold air advection, highs drop in the 40s, and on Friday the 13th, a week from today, that's more like it. That, I think, is the right solution. Big ridge in the west, a big trough in the east, and we are cold. 540 line almost down to Mobile. That would suggest a high only around 40. And then on Saturday the 14th, that might be the morning with the low between, say, 15 and 25. We'll check the European just for the fun of it, okay? This is Wednesday at noon, and it's a little slower. You know, now it's got the main batch of rain and storms Tuesday night into Wednesday daytime here. And both the models have waffled on the timing. And then Thursday, that feature is gone. We turn colder. The 540 line is down below Birmingham. But again, you know, we'll get all the specifics nailed down early next week. But clearly, chance of strong storms the middle of next week and then much colder. That's the screaming message. Let's go deeper in the month. How about January 20th? Shortwave scooting through here, and that's close. Surface low at Dothan, but there's not enough cold air for any winter weather mischief. If this is right, and this is voodoo, we all know that. And on the 22nd, the end of the forecast, that system is gone, and temperatures look seasonal there. And again, the buzz about the AO is plausible. Up at the top, that's the ensembles, and you can see clearly the Arctic oscillation wants to go negative, which kind of opens the gates to the Yukon, but where it goes beyond that kind of depends on this, the NAO, and it looks like one member has got it going negative, but the others are just kind of neutral. And that would more than likely keep maybe the coldest air north of here. But we'll see. I think we're probably maybe on the verge of a change that'll bring in some more consistently cold air down this way. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here, my next video, Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters, the internationally beloved meteorologist. We'll have the updates by video tomorrow and Sunday. And if you live around here, watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless. Weather.